Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpi. Today I am going to explain trick to find quantum numbers. There are basically four type of quantum number: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is denoted by N, azimuthal quantum number is L, magnetic quantum number is M and spin quantum number is S. To memorize these all quantum number, I will explain it like this. For example, to find the electron in an atom, there are shells. In shell, there are subshells. And in subshell, orbitals. And in orbitals, electrons move. And these are the four quantum number. How? जैसे N represent shell and L represent subshell, M represent orbitals and S represent spin of electrons. Okay. So there are four quantum number which are principal, azimuthal, magnetic and spin quantum number. And if you want to find the four quantum number of any element, firstly I have to write the electronic configuration of this element. Okay, and by writing the electronic configuration we can find out the four quantum number easily. For example, before going to the example, firstly I give the introduction about number of N. N means shell, and in an atom, shells is represented as K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, and the number N means the shell at which the last electron enter, and this can be well explained with the help of electronic configuration. Second one is L. L means subshell. Okay. In the shell there are subshell, and subshell are S subshell, P subshell, D subshell and F subshell. S, P, D and F, there are four type of subshells. Okay. In subshell S, P, D, F, there are orbitals. So M represent orbitals. Okay, and orbitals are in S there are only one orbital. P there are three orbital in P. If we case D, in D there are five orbital. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in case of F there are 7 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So finding the electronic configuration we can find out all the quantum number, and this is the basic introduction of this quantum number. N means shell, L means subshell, M represent orbital and S represent spin. Spin either in clockwise. Clockwise means upward direction. This is clockwise, or anti-clockwise. This rotation is known as anti-clockwise rotation of an electron. So this is the spin quantum number. Now I will explain all these things by taking examples. For example, if I take the example of phosphorus, its atomic number is 15, and if I want to know the four quantum number of last electron in the valence shell, how I will calculate the all four quantum number with the help of this electronic configuration. Firstly, I will write the electronic configuration of phosphorus. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Electronic configuration, just write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 10, 12 and 3p 3. This is the electronic configuration of phosphorus, and its outermost shell is this one, and this is the valence electron is 5 valence electron, and the outermost electron is this one. Okay, and we have to find out the 4 quantum number of the last electron, and the last electron is this one. Okay, so firstly n, we have to find the value of n. N is principal quantum number and its value is 3. Its shell is third shell. K shell means first shell, L means second, and M means third shell. So n is equal to 3. Okay, and now we are going to find out the value of L. Before going to find out the value of L, if L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, S, P, D and F. These are the value of L. For S orbital value is 0, P 1, D 2 and F orbital value is 3. Here it is a P orbital. For P orbital L is equal to 1. I think this step will be clear to you. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1. Now we have to find the value of M. For finding the value of n, we have firstly expand orbitals. Orbital L is equal to 1 means p orbital. We have to expand the p orbital. P orbital means p subshell. P orbital, p has 3 orbitals. 1, 2 and 3. These are the p orbital. Okay, and you have to write for p orbital, s orbital. Only one orbital is possible. For p, its value is 0, plus 1, minus 1. How? 0, like a straight line. On the straight line, on the right side you write positive value and on the left side you write negative value. Similarly for p orbital, these are 3. At the center you write 0, and right side plus 1 and left side minus 1. Similarly for d orbital, there are 5 d orbitals. 0 at the center, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is the f orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the center, 7 orbital है means 3 and 3. हम छोड़ देंगे fourth orbital, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth orbital is written as 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, and now in M or M, find the value of M. For P के लिए there are 3 orbitals, 0, plus 1, minus 1. Now in P there are 3 electrons. So write according to Aufbau principle, firstly 1 electron. So 1, 2 and 3. And we have to find the value of M or all 4 quantum number for the last valence electron of the p. This is the last valence electron of the p orbital. So it means m is equal to plus 1 for this 3p3 valence shell electron. And for the value of s, this is the last electron and its value is, as it is moving in clockwise direction, clockwise its value is plus half, and for minus half for anti-clockwise direction. So its value is plus half. Okay. So this is the 4 quantum number as I have explained you by using the trick. Okay. I will take another more example. For example, (3d9). If you have given the electron which is present at the third orbital, third shell, and d is the orbital, then find out all the quantum number possible for 3d9. Here n is equal to 3 as it is given 3. Okay. For value of L, S, P, D, F. L की value 0, 1, 2, 3 as it is D. So its value is 2. Okay, clear? And after that we find out the value of M. for finding the value of m, we expand the orbital. D orbital have 5 orbital. D subshell has 5 orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the center you may write 0, plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2. For D, 3D, 9. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means you have to find all the quantum number of this electron. Okay. For this, value of m is plus 1. Okay. The value of m is plus 1. And spin, as it is anti-clockwise direction, so value of s is minus half. Okay. Now, taking another more example for F5. In this case, n is equal to 4. For F orbital, L is equal to 3. Now expand the F orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. At the center you may write 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And according to Ibov principle, we have to fill 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to find the value of m for this electron. For this, m is equal to plus 1. Okay. And s is equal to, as it is clockwise direction, so value of s is equal to plus half in this case. I think all these steps are clear to you. Okay. Now I am giving you a question which you have to done by yourself if you understand these concepts very clearly. Okay. And write the answer in the comment section for 3D4. What is the value of n? What is the value of L? What is the value of m? And what is the value of s? Okay. And thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.